What is happening, everybody? We got some big news for you guys today. Today, we officially launched our new website. Super, super stoked. It's going to be awesome. If you haven't checked it out, do so right now. It's going to be great. From everything that we loved before on our previous website to many new features and focus points, this thing is going to be a new industry standard. We believe it. We've been working hard on it. We're self-taught, but we're learning we're learning fast and we're improving quickly. So be on the lookout for our new website. It's going to be fantastic. Mark my words. All right. Now to all the stuff you can get on the website. We do have some new stuff for us today, and we are really excited. So you might have seen a video previously. It was up a few days ago, but we added every size and every color of hairline slotted tungsten beads. Again, every size, every color, from 1.5 millimeter to 5.5 millimeter in all 20 colors. There's over 200 SKUs of beads. Crazy. Alrighty, what's next? We just got a new shipment of Boost Fresh. Really, really great rod. We utilized it this past fall for cutthroat fishing in the streams. It's a fantastic option for those of you that like to throw those little streamers at cutthroat locally, and it's got a wide range of applications across the United States. So we now have those back in stock. Super excited about that. Speaking of back in stock, Riptides. These things have been very, very hard to come by. We've struggled with keeping them in stock. We have 5. We have 5 Riptides, 2 black, 2 silver, 1 graphite, or wherever they're at. But you get the picture. We got 5 of them. This is a phenomenal reel that is highly, highly sought after. So we got 5 of those. Super excited about that. Another thing that we're just as excited about, if not more excited about, is our Spawn football beads in peach are now back in stock. And we have thousands of them. So, super excited. All the shrimp patterns that we all love and that we've been tying with, you can now utilize those shrimp beads back. Alrighty. Another thing that we want to focus on, the deals page on our website. So you'll see that there's several things that have changed on the home front, but several things that are similar. The deals page is similar, but it has been updated for April, and there has been a price reduction on these Solar Flex hoodies, the Spawn Flyfish. We have all the new Simms ones here in the shop, and we're looking to offload these. So this is a phenomenal price if you're looking to rep Spawn in what is an awesome, awesome piece of clothing. We now have that back in stock. Or not back in stock, lower price, excuse me. Alrighty, other things that are new here at the shop, we've been dramatically increasing our blog presence. You'll see that it's featured on the new website as one of the homepage drop downs and clicks. So make sure to check that out. We also feature our YouTube channel, so you'll be able to go to the YouTube channel directly from our homepage on our website. You'll be able to see everything from Pete and I and everything that we have to say, offer, and showcase. So really excited about that. As for fishing, as all of you guys know, all of our local rivers and streams are closed for the season. So those will open back up here later in the spring. Excited about that. The lake fishing has been pretty good. They're getting ready to stock all of the lakes here for derby season. The Kids Fishing Derby is going to be a huge hit here in Owako. It is very, very, very cool. If you haven't come out to it and you want to see a ton of kids catch some monster trout, recommend coming out for it. So really exciting there. The jetty has been so-so. The swell dropped a little bit this week, so we were able to get out. But again, the water clarity has been a little rough. Fishing hasn't been phenomenal. But we will keep you tuned in on how the jetty is progressing as we move into those more popular, productive months. As far as dates, we don't have anything on the calendar yet, but we will let you know as soon as we decide for the fly tying night here in April. But as always, thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out the new website. It's awesome. Let us know if you have any concerns or comments, and we will always continue to work as hard as we can for you to give you the best customer experience. Thank you very much, and see you guys next week.